So after we simplified, we had a -8 and we had a +20. So now, when signs are different, you subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. I say larger, I mean larger absolute value, because of course negatives are smaller, but if you have more negatives than positives, your answer will be negative. So let me change the color here. So I have a -8 and a +20, so I need to subtract. You always subtract with the larger number on top. 10 minus 8 is 2, so it's 12. So now I need to figure out, did I have more positives or negatives? Well, I only had 8 negatives and I had 20 positives. So the answer is +12. You don't write the plus in front of it. That's it. So we're going to practice using this method. If it makes sense for you, keep using it. If you have a better way, then after this lesson, you can obviously use your method. But you always need to make sure that you at least do step 1 for me, which is get rid of any double signs. But you have 6 practice problems. You're going to use the steps you just learned, and then that's it. You'll take a quick little exit ticket.